Globe, the model of the Earth. 6th class Social Studies, Chapter 2 of Globe, the model of the Earth, SCERT AP Board. Learning outcomes. By the end of this video, people are able to list keywords with their pronunciation and meanings related to globe, address mistakes and misconceptions on globe, rectify misconceptions and mistakes on globe by doing activities, understand the globe as a true model of the earth. Globe is a true model of the earth. Keywords. In this chapter, we can find some keywords. Let us know. Countries, దేశాలు, continents, ఖండాలు, oceans, మహాసముద్రాలు, నార్త్ పోల్, ఉత్తర ధ్రువము, సౌత్ పోల్, దక్షిణ ధ్రువము, యాక్సిస్ అక్షం. Now, the definition of the globe. The word globe comes from the Latin word globus, which means sphere. Earth is a not complete sphere. It is slightly flattened at the north and the south poles and bulges in the middle. On globe, we can observe the following things, that is continents. There are 7 continents are there, and oceans. There are 5 oceans are there, and countries. About 200 countries are there in the world. Latitudes, the lines which are drawn, the imaginary lines which are drawn horizontally on the earth. Longitudes, the imaginary lines which are drawn vertically on the globe. Glaciers, they are ice rivers, and rivers, mountains, hills, ghats. These are all we can observe on the globe. Now, axis and poles. You can observe the globe. Can you observe? Yes, good. Now, a needle is fixed through the globe in a tilted manner. Are you observed? Yes, it is called its axis. 2 points on the globe through which the needle passes are 2 poles, North Pole and South Pole. The globe moves around this needle from west to east, just as the earth moves. The real earth has no such needle. Earth's rotational axis is an imaginary straight line runs through the north and south poles. Now, activities for you. Take a big round apple. We ask a cycle spoke through it. The spoke resembles the axis shown in a globe. Now you can move the apple around this axis from left to right. And another activity, take a big round ball, paste the white paper around the ball. Now draw and mark the continents and oceans and countries. In this video, you learn to keywords with their pronunciation and meanings related to globe, rectified misconceptions and mistakes on globe by doing activity, understood the globe as a true model of the earth. Thank you.